All right, ladies and gents, this is part 2 of our how to make business cards within the year of 2022. That way your business thrives the freeway. Not saying your business is going to thrive the freeway, but you get what I'm trying to get at here. We're making these business cards for absolutely free. Like I said, you have the option to print these out and laminate them, and you can go that route, or you can actually send them off to Vistaprint and go that route as well. So now the next thing I'm gonna do, all of these will be subs. So we'll do Etsy, pretty much every social media that I use. Let's drop that up a smidge more. About there. Give us a little more surface area. That put you up. Okay, so next we will do I don't really do Facebook like that, but Facebook will be there. Facebook, pretty much all the sites that I'm really active on there. So Facebook is scrolled over. Bow. Okay, so next we also have Twitter and Instagram. Twitter. Scroll her down. Like I said, everything needs to be uniform, so make that even with the other header there. What else did I say? Instagram. And as far as any other socials that I can think of, I believe that should be everything at the moment. So we have TikTok, we have Etsy, we have Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. Do I use any other socials for as of currently right now? YouTube. And then YouTube. It's spelled wrong. Oh, just because the Y. Y isn't capitalized. Okay, so now all we're gonna do is just copy that, and we're going to do the same thing. Bow. And no, I'm not gonna do that every time. Bow. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Move this one right here. Move this one right here. Yep. Looking pretty good. See, I know. I'll be knowing a couple of things I'll be doing out here. At first, I was like, what is he doing? I'm going to scroll these over a smidge because I really would like them to all fall in line together, honestly. No. All right, so if something like that happens, click out. And okay, so I thought I could just do the backspace. I don't see it, so instead I have to make this roughly back the same size of everything else. So that'll be easy. Yep, that'll be really easy. I'm not too worried about that. What I really wanted, there we go. Okay, so now I'm gonna scroll these just a smidge, snickle more, put that back even. I know, it's a little tedious. No, I want the bottom one. The bottom, love. There it is. Okay. You know what? That's close enough for me. I'm fine with that. Now we just got to do it one more time. Boom, bada bing. We did the thing. Okay. Doesn't look bad. Now let's pull it all together. Like I told you, keep everything uniform. To put one of them SpongeBob things in here. 2 hours later. Scroll her over to match Etsy. But then again, Etsy is in its own little bracket. in its own world. Make it bigger. Click off of it. There we go. Okay, same thing. Same thing, just going all the way through. Okay, now we're gonna put a contrast on there. But that contrast color will be red. Match our border and our original word up there. Now that we clicked off, boom, there you have it, ladies and gents. This is your business card. So this is the front. You can either do just one, let me look at y'all. You can either just do one sided or you can do two-sided. So mine's gonna be two-sided. So this is gonna be the front and then this is going to be the back here. So I'm gonna go back to my uploads. I'm just gonna click the actual poof, and then I'm going to do the same thing with the border. So everything stays uniform, that beautiful look. Wow. See if I can, since it's not as much words on this one, I should be able to finish this within my 10-minute mark. I just found out that you can record a little bit longer than 10 minutes. You just have to pay for the, I believe it's like a premium version of Bandai. I'm not doing it right now, to be honest with you. As you clearly see, I'm making free business cards, so I'm not really trying to pay at the moment. Once we start getting more traction, we'll do that. There we go. Got it at least semi straight there. All right, last one. Hit it with the curve. Oh, that was beautiful on the money on the first time. Slide it all the way over, a little bit more, probably about that thickness right there. Hit it with the color. So now you see we got our border. However, I do want this to be just a little brought out a little more. Dang, it's really a thin line between love and, and hate, huh? All right, so we'll move this over. Now let's go ahead, instead of sub, we will do an actual heading. Monkey be poofy. Let's drag it out. There we go. Center it up because that looks like garbage without being centered. All right, now what we'll do is monkey be poofy. Hold on. And then we'll do like what's it called? A dash. Dash there. Dash there. Pull it out some more. Once again, do our gang. Red. And is that all I want? Yeah, why not? You know, the front is already the front already has a lot on it, so this would be good, y'all. So there you have it. That's literally how you create a business card within the year of 2022. Going forth for your business, I'm going to slide this over just a smidge. There we go. Okay, so this is the back, and I'm gonna lock that way nothing messes up. And this is the front. Let's make SOP a little bit bigger. All right, so now I'm just analyzing, going over everything one last time, making sure everything is good before that 15 seconds come up. But hey, I love it. I love it. So I'm locking it again, and then all you do is hit that download button. You download the 2 pages, and you're good to go, y'all. Catch y'all in the next video. Thanks for watching.